Hi love and soul, welcome back to Jendely's Lane. Today I'm going to take you guys through my knotless braids. I'm not putting these in, I'm just showing you guys how I decorate it, how I style it, and all the little beads that I put in it. I'm going to take you guys through the process of that. So let's get into the video. Today's not a perception video. Today I'm about to show you guys my knotless braid that was done at D Hair Chic. I'm gonna decorate it. I'm gonna lay down my edges. I'm gonna put on some lipstick. I got it done last night and I just wrapped it up and went right to bed. So I just got it done. I didn't even do anything with it. I just...
You unloosen your hair.
I didn't unloose it. It has curls in it.
Oh, that's what you meant by teaching.
Yeah. It has curls in it. It's knotless braids with curls. Those single curl infused in it. Like that. So that's one piece. It's just beautiful. I love it like that. It's a little tangle. Because like I said, I didn't do anything with it when I got my hair done. So I'm gonna cut some of that off. Hey Didi, can I get scissors? Why didn't I get scissors before I even sat down to do this? I think there are scissors in the room here, right? I'll look for one in here. I'm getting my shirt dirty, so I'm just gonna put a white towel on my neck. You can tell my edges are not laid yet. So these are the things we're gonna need for today, okay? We're gonna need this. I got this from D Hair Chic right there. This right here. I have, I think, 3 of these. 1, 2, 3. I usually love gold and stuff, but with this hair I really wanted to do silver. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. brow pencil to lay down my edges. Use the e.l.f. brow pencil on my eyebrows, so I figured I can use it on my edges. And then Wet n Wild lipstick and brush on my edges. So let's start with these little guys. Why am I dropping it today? It comes closed. Okay, so you just have to prop it open. It's open. They have some glitter in it, like really faint glitter. Before I move on, let me show you guys how I thread this through. This is my first time threading this, using this, so I'm going to show you guys how it's done. It's easy. So I take this and I take one of my beads. And instead of using the white, I'm going to use a silver because there's 2 colors in here, silver and white with glitter. So let's use a silver. And I'm going to take the bead and put it over this little thing right here. Okay, and then feed it through. Okay, once you feed it through, that little circle gets really tight. You feed it through and it stays right here. And then you take your braid and what I do is I come to the end of the braid and then I fold it so it can fit in here. And then I loop it through. And once I loop it through, I push this closer, this bead closer to here. I don't want my hand to be in the way. So there we go, it's closer. And then you have the hair sitting right on the top of the bead, right there. And all you have to do is hold the bead on the side, and then pull that through. See how the hair is going through? Now you have only the hair in the loop and the bead is sitting here. You still have the rest of the tail of the hair right here. So you feed it completely through and there. And now you're left with the bead. And I push this all the way up because the tail is too loose and the bead needs a fatter part of the hair to stay put. So I push it all the way up here. And not too far. And my goal is, you know how there is one right here? I don't want another bead to be like right next to it, so I'm gonna bring it down so it's like in the middle. Bring it up a little bit so it's in the middle of this other, creating this illusion of plenty. See that? It sits right here, and now it's gonna look like, whoa, you have so much in your hair because the empty spaces are being filled by the other. So let's go down. I'm gonna bring one of the clips up all the way here. These are the clips, the soft ones that are bendable and easy to fold. I'm gonna bring that all the way up. Guys, I try to get Invisalign. I know this is off topic. I try to get Invisalign for my teeth, but which one do you guys prefer? Invisalign, Smile Direct, is it Smile Direct Club? Which one do you guys prefer? And like, I want one of them. I was looking at my options, but I wasn't sure if I should choose the Smile Direct Club or Invisalign, I think it's called. But if you've used either one of those brand or another one, let me know, because I'm trying to close my gap. I'm trying to close that, so let me know in the comments below and I will check that out. And if anybody works in that company, hey, I would love to review that product as well, because I'm a great candidate. Because I have my gap. So let's see, let's put this one up here closer to the root. Here again, here we go. Feed it through the loop, bring it through, force it. It needs a little bit of, you just pinch the metal, boom, right there. Pick your hair, find the smallest part, which is at the end, fold it, put it through the loop, and then bring this closer to the edge. You can just feed this end through. Bring this closer to the edge, pinch it through, and it pushes it through. You just take that out, take this out, and you got yourself the bead. And let's see the placement. Okay, because it's important. It's important for you to figure out where the placement is. So this one is down here. I want this to be right in the middle. So I'm gonna leave it right there. Alrighty, we're getting there, I'm gonna fast forward this. let's keep on going so we can get it done and over with. But this is how far I've gone. I still have a handful on this side, as you can see, this much. And then I'll come back here and get some of that done. I thought it was gonna lay better than what it just did, but it didn't. But that's okay. I'm gonna lay later if I want to go out. For now, it's fine. Let me show you guys what the back look like. Not my favorite thing to use, but it will work for now. Time to style. All you need to do is take a section that you want to style and sort of create like a bend to knot. Okay, sort of. You just take a handful, create a little fold. You don't have to do it like this. You can grab a rubber band and just hold it down, but I just created a little fold and then went around it enough times so it drips on the side, because the hair is not a lot on my head and I didn't want like a heavy set of hair. So yeah, keep wrapping it around, and I did this without any bobby pins, so you just let it drip. Mess with it till it frames your face the way you want it. This is very temporary, by the way. This is not like all-nighters type of hairstyle. This is just very temporary. If you actually want to look like this when you're going out, you can pin those down and these little beads can stick out like that. And if you want more beads right here as well, you can. But I ran out of the little clamps, beads that I was putting on. I ran out of those, so I had to improvise, or I had to just use these. So instead of buying 4-pack, I say go with maybe 5 or 6 packs, because I would have loved for some of the beads to be down this far, but they're not. So I say, if you do have a chance to buy, make sure and buy more of these ones right here. These little clips. I'm just gonna put one right here since I found this one on the floor. Looks like it's not bad. I just found another one, but this one is pretty wrecked, but I can still use it. So right there. So this is what it looks like. This is what the front looks like. This is what the back looks like. And this is my outfit. I'm wearing my bra right now, and I just tucked the white shirt underneath my bra, and I'm wearing my waist trainer for comfort. I'm just wearing that, and I'm wearing that over it, and I'm wearing that. And this is like, to me, this is a whole look right here. This is an outfit right here. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and also comment down below. And I also have lots of other videos on perception. Yes, I did get my hair done at D Hair Chic. I got all these beads and decoration from D Hair Chic. My lipstick, no, I didn't get that from there. The glitter under my eyes I got from D Hair Chic. Hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments if you like this style.